Hey guys, welcome back. This is Krista out here at Johnson RV. We are America's #1 premium pre-owned dealership. And guess what? I get to show you another leisure travel today. It's a 2016 Murphy bed, the Unity model, and we're excited to show you. We actually specialize in leisure travel. We are a dealer for them, but we specialize in carrying them pre-owned. So let's do a walk around the outside and then we'll head inside and check it out. First and foremost, you're sitting on this Mercedes Sprinter, pretty standard to the Unities. You've got 188 horse, 325 foot-pounds of torque, lots of zoom to get you out of the way, get you down the road nice and safely. And here you've got a nice integrated fiberglass step, a courtesy light up above. Leisure Travel doesn't skimp on anything. They are custom made up in Winkler, Manitoba, and you've got 5 coats of paint on this bad boy. So no decals that are going to be peeling, going to keep you looking new over a long period of time. Nice storage compartment here. I don't know if you can really tell how heavy duty they really build well, and that's what leisure travel is known for, as I'm sure if you're researching, you'll definitely hear that a lot. Slow, soft closed doors to be able to protect your noggin, which is always nice when you're getting stuff in and out. This is your generator right here. You also have got another nice little storage compartment here as well. And if you want to take some other bigger gear, golf clubs, chairs, whatnot, this is a nice little storage compartment to do that right here. All right, and around back. This one was optioned with the rear ladder, which is nice. You saw the extension in that compartment there. Be able to get your roof maintenance done nice and easily. Integrated backup camera, make backing up and parking, again, easy. 5,000-pound tow capacity, 500-pound tongue weight, so you're all set to be able to tow something small or put your bikes, kayaks, whatnot on the back. And back around, just like every other Unity you've probably seen, this is where your service center is. Everything nice and simple in one easy area here. This one is equipped with a macerator. You do get a concierge walkthrough with us, teach you how to use the unit. They'll go through all of this with you. Water heater here. I'm blocked by a slide. There are a couple compartments that give you some extra storage on that slide now as well. But if you look up above, you have a slide topper. Standard to all Unities. It's pretty amazing because it keeps your slide operating nice and smoothly over time. Get that seal nice and tight for when your slide's in, prevent any damage over the long period of times. Let's go inside. Welcome back inside this 2016 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed model. You're obviously looking at the front chassis area. Pretty standard with Mercedes this year. You've got that smart wheel so you don't have to leave your steering wheel when you're driving. Also navigation, backup camera, all of that's nice, convenient, right up front for you. If you span back this way, we're going to do an overall view, and then I'm going to demo the bed because it's a Murphy bed that comes out of the wall. How cool is that? Leisure Travel was one of the first ones to do that back in 2010, and unless you can't tell, these are both recliner chairs, legit recliner chairs in a 25-foot motor home. You can spin both of these to face each other. Your dinner table comes out of the wall, which is nice as well, and I'm going to demo this bed once we're done, show you how simple Leisure Travel made this, so that way it's super quick. You're in bed on those long trips when you're getting tired. It's super easy now. Heading back to the kitchen galley area. You've got nice Corian counters here. It is a rock, so it's going to last over time. Nice big deep stainless steel sink here for doing your dishes or washing your dog or whatever you want to do, up to you. And then back here, this is actually a garbage can. According to Dean, it is your ice box for drinks or whatever you want. Lots of storage up above. Again, you can't really tell the quality unless you're in here, but solid wood, really well built. Lots of storage. I don't know if you could tell how hard that was for me to pull out. Ugh. You want that going down the road because you're not going to have those rattles that drive you crazy when you're on the road and you're like, find it, I'm freaking out. This is going to prevent that because of the way it's built. Now, it just keeps getting better with this floor plan. Look how big this bathroom is. It's huge. You've got a nice, huge corner shower here with a skylight. So if you're a little bit taller, you're going to be just fine. Nice porcelain toilet there. And then a huge medicine cabinet area, storage underneath, obviously a lot of space, a lot of storage. Nice big wardrobe here. Is lit here as well, some drawers down below. Again, one of Leisure Travel's staples is your pantry, your pull-out pantry, which is also great, making great use of space. Convection microwave, so you can bake in here as well as just plain microwave things. And a separate fridge and freezer. You can really be on the road for a long time in this thing. Runs off of three things: propane, well, obviously electricity, but your 110 and also your shore power cord. Now, your TV in this bad boy is awesome. First, you've got this nice view if you'd like. Maybe you're lakeside and you just want to watch more people watch. But if you do want to watch TV, I'm going to show you how simple this is. Push of a button, and all of a sudden, boom, TV right out of the wall. How cool is that? Again, you don't really feel like watching TV, no problem. Put it down, you're all set. Let's show you how simple this is. First of all, you've got two locks on either side. They are safety locks for when you're driving down the road. Unlock both of these. Simply remove this cushion. Usually just toss them in the front seats, the easiest. Remove this cushion. Look how simple. One down, two down. It is a pull release because it is a safety feature, so you do need to pull this to release. Done. Just like that. You actually can clip bedding on here as well and leave it made up all the time. Put it back up, just pull release. Done. Just like that. Super simple. If you have any questions about this unit or any other ones we've got, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Krista at 503-668-5400. Bye.